And Dr. Klatz, we actually have a demonstration where it's very visual to people, where you can witness the charge in the water, and we can fully explain this very well with a demonstration that's easy to understand. We do this back at our booth. We're here at the booth further elaborating on this concept of water that works and why water possibly isn't working for a lot of people that are drinking water. Cornell University reports up to 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated. What's the problem? Well, the problem is our water isn't working. So what we need to do is we need to find water that's highly bioavailable, that our body appreciates as water, and I'm going to show you how that works with a simple demonstration. This is a redox meter. It's an ORP meter. It measures oxidation reduction potential for any particular beverage that I place this in. Basically, it's measuring whether the solution is proton-rich, meaning it's an oxidant and oxidative, or if it's electron-rich, meaning it has the ability to donate electrons and be antioxidant. So 75% chronically dehydrated. The first thing, and we drink water from a bottle or we drink water from a tap. That's pretty much where everybody's getting their water. This number, 196, 195, that's an oxidant. That's a positive number. It's proton-rich. It's oxidizing. It's actually slowing our recovery. It's contributing to aging, to our cellular breakdown, to oxidation. Now, this is a very popular, kind of a trendy water here. 213, it's proton-rich, it's an oxidant. This is natural spring water from the Colorado area. It's going down a little bit, but it's still an oxidant. And then we have things like, we probably recognize that this soda, we can see how oxidative that is. And then we have sports drinks, things that we give our athletes and our kids. Well, that's up there similar to the soda. So what does this mean? The water has a positive charge, or these beverages have a positive charge. So we're drinking water from a bottle or we're drinking water from a tap. This is recently drawn tap water. Now watch what happens when I place it in the tap water. The tap water is actually more oxidizing than the soda. Most people have no idea this is going on. It's because the water is produced with proton-rich chemicals to kill the germs and the bacteria. The problem is it renders the water very positively charged and turns it to a state that our body does not appreciate as water. And I'll elaborate on that in a second. It's going to go up to about 450, almost 500 proton rich. Now, let's contrast that with what I refer to as water that works, water that's pristine, clean, and generated through an electrolysis process. This is electrolyzed reduced water. Now watch what happens. Do you see how that instantly jumps to a negative? That's a massive amount of electrons that are being donated to our body. Free radicals are missing electrons, and we're donating electrons. We're able to slow the oxidative process by donating electrons to our body. And interestingly enough, water on the earth, water in the ground, springs, wells, all have a negative charge inherently. They're subject to the Earth's negative charge of the electromagnetic field. As humans, I believe we were designed to get water that has the Earth's charge, has the negative charge, it's rich in oxygen. The oxygen has the negative charge, the two hydrogens have a positive charge. So water that's alive, that's living, that's oxygen-rich is what our body appreciates as water, and that's water that works.
Immortality Now is made possible through an educational grant from Enviromed Sciences. To learn more about how to get living water in your home or to get a free home toxicity test, visit enviromedsciences.com.